What if I told you? You don't need $1 million to change your life. In fact, most people feel stuck not because they're broke, but because they're chasing the wrong number. Because the truth is, your life actually starts changing way before $1 million. And in this video, I'll show you 3 powerful money milestones that can completely transform your financial future. Everyone online talks about becoming a millionaire. You see it everywhere. YouTube thumbnails, finance books, social media. But here's what nobody tells you. Wealth is built in stages, and each stage changes your life in a different way. The first milestone is simple: $10,000. Now this might not sound impressive, but this is where everything begins. Because reaching $10,000 proves one thing: you have discipline. Imagine you start investing just $100 per month with an average return of 8%. It'll take you around 6 to 7 years to hit $10,000. And when you finally get there, you might feel disappointed, because most of that money, it's your money, not the market. And this is where most people quit. They say, compound interest doesn't work. But here's what they don't realize. If you stop investing at $10,000, that same money can grow into $69,000 over time. But the biggest change isn't money. It's your mindset. You stop living paycheck to paycheck, and you feel in control. Now things get interesting. The second milestone is $100,000. This is where your money starts working for you. 10% return on $100 equals $10. 10% return on $100,000 equals $10,000. Same effort, completely different results. The journey to $100,000 is the hardest part. Progress feels slow, results are invisible, and motivation drops. But if you stay consistent, everything changes. Eventually, your money starts growing faster than your effort. Now here's the most underrated milestone: $500,000. Most people ignore this, but this is where real freedom begins. At 8% return, that's $40,000 per year without working. Let that sink in. At $500,000, you unlock something powerful: choice. At this stage, you're not working because you have to. You're working because you choose to. The only thing standing between you and financial freedom is time plus consistency. If this video changed your perspective, make sure to subscribe. And next, watch my video on how wealth explodes after $100,000.